Last time, we saw how Pixel can see and talk, nah?
Yes! He followed my voice. Today, we'll see how Pixel learns by playing.
Can a toy really get smarter by trying again?
Let's find out together.
This toy car only goes straight. It bumps and stops.
It does the same thing every time.
But I can be different. I learn new ways.
Pixel, try to reach the cookie jar.
Oops. I'll remember not to go that way next time.
Try again, Pixel.
Yay! I did it! Learning makes me smarter.
Pixel,
Stop at red light.
stopping. Waiting.
Now it's green. Go!
Pixel, what did you learn today?
I tried, made mistakes, followed traffic rules, and got smarter.
What?
Next chapter. How Pixel finds patterns like a detective.
AI's superpower, finding patterns. See you soon.